calm down.
Okay, hello TikTok family. Why Triple K? Because why not? In my fucking keychain, we have an alarm. We have a Triple Charm, Lipgloss. This is my actual supplement keychain that I take with me every single day. So, I have my keys on here, a chapstick holder. Chapstick holder. My pepper spray, my Pompom, my wine opener, my key knife. I want you guys to know that Kollection and the reason why. In today's world, there's a lot of women who are missing. There's sex trafficking, kidnapping, murders, stalkers. Yes, it's not 100% gonna save you from getting killed, from not getting killed, but it's some type of equipment that will help save your life, to get you to run from your attacker. Every woman needs it, whether you're in college, walk home, work late nights, early mornings. You're an entrepreneur, they have the office, you know, that you are going to order, and you're just, you know, need some type of protection. Not all women carry any self-defense tool. Not, women don't do that. But me, I do. I carry this everywhere I go. Every single day, I have this my self-defense chain on my wrist. When I'm walking to go get my kids from the bus stop, I have this on my wrist. I have it everywhere, with me all day. And 9 times out of 10, us women, we have some type of key because we have, we lock up our home or we, you know, have a car key. So, yes, we do have keychains. That's why I'm letting you know why you purchase a self-defense keychain from me. Yes, there's a lot of women, a lot of businesses that have self-defense keychains, but mine is also special and different too because I also have a CPR face shield. In case you may be out and about and say you may see a car accident or you may see somebody that's non-responsive and need help. There's a face shield in here that you can use. Let me show you. You can do mouth to mouth without using your mouth, protect you and the person, and also save a life.
How to use our self-defense tools to protect yourself and to break window. Pepper spray to spray attacker. Discreet key knife to pop attacker's tire. Personal alarm.
Barbie drippin', DB9, Barbie whippin'. He say he don't want me back, he be lying. Bitch, I'm the source, Barbie.
Cause I see you trying, subliminally trying to see if I'm gon' be the one to say you're wrong. I admit it's exciting, why some me gonna like it?
Coming like a thief in the night. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed.
Hello, answering questions from my followers. What comes on my self-defense keychains? This is a cheetah print. It's a wristlet. with a matching chapstick holder. And then it comes with pepper spray. I put a CPR face shield. This is a no-touch door opener. And then it's also a wine opener or a beer opener right here. It has a key knife. It's about 6 inches long. I can't show you because otherwise I'll be banded. And it has an alarm and a flashlight. This is the flashlight. And then it has lip gloss that I homemade. It's vegan and cruelty free. It's also available for individual purchase on my website. I have an inspirational charm that comes with it. It says never ever give up. And then what else? A pom-pom. And it comes with a pom-pom.
How to use the tools. Better be done. Self-defense keychain. If it ain't me, your mama shouldn't be showing you no safety alarm. I know that I'm stingy. If it takes baby, I'm gang about shit. Ain't playing no games about you. If the business right, better be done. If it ain't me, your mama shouldn't be showing you no love. Please fall.
We have a lip gloss holder, and then we got our little furry cute ball for decoration. This right here is a CPR face shield to put over your face while giving CPR. You got your mace in case you got to spray a bug, you never know. We have a beer and wine opener here, and then you got a knife in case you got to cut a nigga, because you know they be acting up, or cut a bitch, either one. Oh my god. Okay. Woo! And then last but not least,
walking to your car.
I'm walking down. I have my kabuton in my hand as I'm walking. Come on, you guys, with my kids to the bus stop, so I can make sure I protect them. Come on, this way. Walking with it in my hand. As I'm checking my surroundings. Here, I'm at my car. I'm checking around it. Side. Underneath. Make sure nobody's underneath. Okay, I'm getting in my car, and I'm checking my surroundings as I'm getting in my car. Hello, so I'm in my car, and I make sure I lock my door, check my surroundings. All my kids are inside the car, and we're safe. And these are the safety tips when walking with your kids to the bus stop or to the car. Drop down, drop down, drop down.